Today we are making these super cute, super delicious, super fabulous star-spangled mini pies, perfect for your 4th of July party. You will need blueberry, cherry, or strawberry pie filling, pie crusts, an egg, cookie cutters, and a cupcake tin. Generously spray the cupcake tin with cooking oil. Flour your cutting board and roll out your pie crust, and using a 4-inch cookie cutter circle, cut out 12 circles. Put your circle right in the middle of the cupcake tin and make sure you press all the way around the edges so that there's no air pockets. Using a 2-inch circle cookie cutter, cut out 12 little circles. We are going to be using this to reinforce the bottom of each one of our pies. Use that same 4-inch circle cookie cutter and cut out 6 more circles. We're using these for the top pie crust. So take a cookie cutter, a star, or whatever you want to, and cut out the center of all 6 of those. Spoon your pie filling in each one of the cupcake tins and make sure it only goes about 3/4 of the way full. Otherwise, if you fill it all the way to the top, it'll boil over and burn. It'll be a disaster. I did that. It sucks. Take each one of the top pie crusts and place them on top, and make sure you press around the edges so that it kind of seals together. And then put the stars on top of the remaining 6. You can get super creative with all your little decorations. Beat an egg and then take a small brush and then brush the tops of each one of those pie crusts because they'll be nice and brown and pretty when it's done. Bake at 375 for about 25 or 30 minutes, and you'll be all set with these super cute treats.